Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with Arhan. In today's video, I am going to show you how to embed YouTube video into your website using HTML. It's a simple process that can enhance your content and engage your audience. Let's get started. Step number 1, finding the embed code. First, go to the YouTube video you want to embed. Below the video, click on the share button. From the options that appear, click on Embed. This will open a new window with the Embed code. So this is our new window that's showing the Embed video. Now step number 2, customizing the Embed code. You will see some options below the Embed code like video size and whether to show player controls. Customize the settings to your preference. Once you are happy with the settings, copy the embed code. So I want to start the video at 00. I want to show the player controls, and I want to enable the privacy enhance it smooth. Okay, this looks good. Now I will copy the code. Now step number 3, embedding the video in HTML. Now let's switch to our HTML file. Open your HTML file in a code editor. Decide where you want the video to appear on your web page. Paste the embed code where you want the video to show up. It should look something like this. So it should look something like this. And now if you refresh this, you will see a video. Here you will see a YouTube video, copy link. If you click on this, you will see the options. Okay, great. Now step 4, additional tips. You can also adjust the width and height attribute to fit your design. If you are using a responsive design, you might want to wrap iframe in a div with a class for styling. So here's an example of this. So I will create a div class is equal to video. Let's say it is video container. And let's close this div here. Okay, now go to style and inside the CSS you can add something like this. So let's add dot video container and here we write position relative padding bottom should be 56.25% and then height should be 0. And now then next we write the dot video container I think I have misspelling here. Oh, it's container. Yes, I have misspelling here. Container. Yes, now we and inside and then we write iframe, and inside we add the following style: position, absolute, top 0, left 0, width 100%, height 100%. So here's our code. This is CSS code and this is HTML code. And now let's refresh this. Okay, now it is covering the full web page, and if you click on this, let's make this mute. Now here you can see the speed option, quality, and you can also even full screen it. Let's make this mute. And if you start this start as 00. So let's pause this. Okay, so and that's it. You have successfully embedded a YouTube video into your website using HTML. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Code with Arhan for more coding tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.